Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to solve Windows 11 empty folders created issues. So in this case, open this PC and go here, local disk C, then go Windows. Now find System32, this one, double click and go System Profile. System Profile. Sorry, firstly you have to find config, then profile. So click on C and find config. Here I have found config. Just double click on it, this one. Now I'll find here system profile, double click, continue, AppData, go local, and now you'll find here this type of things, TW1 forward and TMP. All of this same kind of data should be removed. Okay, just do it like this, starting with TW and end with TMP. This kind of all folder will be deleted. Just click and delete. Okay, so guys, now restart your PC and check. You'll find the solved problem. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.